In this video, I'll show you how to use Robinhood on your computer browser using the Legend platform. First, open any web browser on your computer and go to the official Robinhood website. Click on the Login button at the top right and enter your account details to sign in. Once you're logged in, look for the option called Legend or Advanced Charts in the menu. Click on it to open the Legend trading interface. This platform gives you more detailed charts, tools, and a better view of the market compared to the basic app. Now, use the search bar to find any stock you want to trade. Click on the stock, and you'll see a full chart with different time frames, indicators, and price movements. You can zoom in or out, change chart styles, and add indicators for better analysis. To place a trade, click on the Buy or Sell button on the right side. Enter the amount or number of shares, review the order details, and confirm your trade. You can also monitor your portfolio, track performance, and view your watchlist directly from the dashboard. Spend some time exploring the tools to get comfortable with the platform. That's it. If this helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple tech tips.